Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Uh, as we earlier discussed about the FCU fittings, today I will discuss about the other fittings of the FCUs in this second part. So we have to start from the, the basic fittings to install the FCU. First of all, you have to install the anchor in the concrete slab in roof, and then install the vibration isolator with this connecting rod. Connecting rod is actually the threaded rod that is full of threads to connect the FCU with vibration isolators and anchor. This is the anchoring support. You have to first drill the hole inside the concrete slab and just put the this anchor and rotate about the certain torque to tighten this threaded rod, and then you have to install this extended auxiliary is actually support the FCU with this connecting this threaded rod connect with the auxiliary extending auxiliary to support FCU from the bottom. And after this we will discuss about the condensate drain. Condensate drain is actually used to drain the condensed condensed moisture or condensed water, condensed vapors that condense on the cooling coil of the FCU. For this you first need the insulated drain pan. The drain pan must be insulated. Second thing is the flexible connector. You have to install the flexible connector with the FCU drain, then connect the pipe, and with pipe you must install the clean out plug. What is the purpose of clean out plug? Clean out plug is needed when the pipe is blocked due to particles or other scales, etc. So you must insulate this line also in case if it is in contact with the chill water piping or other copper pipings. These are the typical FCU mounting details. So now we discussed about the how to connect the duct with FCU, that is the ducted type FCU. For this you need first of all connect the flexible connector, that is the flexible duct. It may be square or round with FCU. After this you will install the duct, that is GI duct or maybe SS, depend upon on the applications. SS ducts are usually used in hospitals and other pharma graded units. So this is the duct that you will install with FCU. Same procedure for this: anchoring bolts, threaded rods. So there is no vibration isolators, and other things are same, that is lock nuts, blah blah blah, expansion anchors. And with duct you have to install the flexible connector with FCU, so the vibration doesn't travel from the FCU toward the duct. This is the duct wall. On duct wall you will install the thermal insulation, depend upon the applications. And after this you will install the you will wrap around a canvas cloth with glue, and inside the duct you must install acoustic insulation, acoustic liner, acoustic insulation to damp the sound of the FCU so it doesn't travel inside the building. So these are the basic details of FCU. If you have any question you can ask in comments about anything, or my previous video you can ask about it also. So In next video we will discuss about the AHU connection, AHU fittings, and the other electrical details. Thank you. Goodbye.